Good afternoon, everybody. How many of you use a petrol pressure washer in remote locations without a mains water source, and you're drawing water from barrels, wheelie bins, etc.? I do it a lot, unfortunately. I'm fed up of sucking on hose pipes to prime them to get water to the pump. So, quick, cheap, Homebase, £3.99 pump, suction pump, air pump kit. You'll find them very common. Hoselock style clunk click adapter, barb fitting 8mm, double-eared O clip. Size on this one is 17 to 20mm. A piece of rubber hose that I've cut out, and a pair of Nipex crimpers. Bit of lubrication, drill a hole. Trying this with one hand. Get your piece of rubber hose and push in your clunk clip style connector. I will just pause this momentarily and we're back. So got your rubber hose, push it onto your clunk clip fitting, which gives you a bushing, increases its diameter. The top of this pump is the suction input. Good old bit of Sally saliva. Can never beat a bit of lube, especially when the hole's tight. So get your clunk clip connector, push it into the top of your pump. You should have a nice hard fitting. Give it a good smack. Good old stainless steel kitchen table. So that goes into there like that, nice and solid. Our double-eared O clip then will fit nice and snugly around that. So just line it up. Please excuse the one-handed effort today. Can't be asked getting a tripod, setting up cameras. Let's be realistic about this in the field. So you got your fitting, get your double-eared O clip, make sure you've got it right, nice and snug. And there you go. You now have a hosepipe style vacuum suction pump for priming. I've nicked this as an idea from working with firefighting pumps. So there you go, quick and easy way. Inlet, discharge. Easy way to prime your pressure washing pump from your water barrels. Yes, I'm back. So it's a case of work smarter, not harder. So, hand priming pump. No more sucking on hoses which are gravity fed when using a pressure washer away from a mains water supply. So priming pump, £4.99 at Homebase. Hoselock clunk clip connector, £3.98. Length of red hose came with it. Stainless steel P-clip mounted to the crankcase. Very, very minimal heat dissipation through the bottom of the crankcase on this particular model. So the P-clip is insulated with a PU rubber bushing as well. That reduces heat transfer. It's red, it almost matches the tank. Very similar to some of the firefighting pumps that I've got that I've modified for hand priming. That's like a boat bilge pump. So on this one, gravity feed, my hose pipe connects on here from my water barrel. I give it a few pumps. That gets the water flowing, quickly take it off of there and clunk clip it straight onto the manifold of the pump. Cheap pump, cheap pressure washer, 158 quid I think I paid for it. I've had it for I think nearly 2 years. It works and it's not dropped a stroke. Regular oil changes, regular changing and checking of the oil in the pressure pump. Very nice little piece of kit. Didn't break the bank, it works. It does what it says on the tin. I'm very happy with it. So there you go, hand priming pump. Works smarter, not harder. A top tip from AW.